What is passive income and how to start earning it? Picture this: you're sleeping, traveling, or binge watching your favorite show, and your bank account is still growing. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the power of passive income, money you earn without trading your time for it. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what passive income is, why it's the key to financial freedom, and how you can start building it today, even if you're starting from zero. No get-rich-quick schemes, just real strategies that work. Welcome to Has to Be Rich, where we turn dreams of wealth into reality. Let's dive in. So, what is passive income? It's income that comes in regularly with little to no ongoing effort. Think dividends from stocks, rent from a property, or earnings from an online course you made once. Unlike your 9-to-5 job, where you trade hours for dollars, passive income works for you around the clock. My friend Sarah, a graphic designer, earns $200 a month from stock photos she uploaded 2 years ago. She did the work once, and the money keeps coming. That's passive income. Why does this matter? Passive income is your ticket to freedom. It lets you pay bills, save for goals, or quit a job you hate without worrying about your next paycheck. In 2024, a survey by Bankrate found that 44% of Americans want to build passive income to achieve financial independence. My cousin Jamal started with $1,000 in a dividend stock last year. He now gets $30 a month without lifting a finger. It's small, but it's growing, and it's proof you don't need millions to start. Now, let's get real. Passive income isn't set it and forget it. Most streams take upfront work, money, or both. But once they're running, they require minimal maintenance. Today, I'm sharing 4 beginner-friendly ways to start earning passive income, plus practical steps to get going. Whether you've got $50 or $5,000, there's something here for you. Stick with me, because this could change how you think about money. Way number 1: dividend stocks. When you buy shares in a company that pays dividends, you get a slice of their profits, usually every quarter. For example, a stock like Coca-Cola pays about 3% annually. Invest $1,000, and you could earn $30 a year. It's not life-changing, but it adds up. My buddy Carlos invested $500 in a dividend ETF called SCHD last year. He gets $15 every quarter, $60 a year, for doing nothing. To start, open a brokerage account with Fidelity or Robinhood, research high dividend stocks or ETFs like Vine, and invest what you can. Start with $100 if that's all you've got. It takes 10 minutes to set up, and you're earning while you sleep. Way number 2: high-yield savings accounts or CDs. These are low-risk options where banks pay you interest. In 2025, some online banks like Ally offer 4% on high-yield savings accounts. Put in $1,000, and you'll earn $40 a year. Certificates of deposit, CDs, can pay even more, up to 5% for a 1-year term. My neighbor Lisa, a single mom, put $2,000 in a high-yield savings account last year. She earns $80 annually, enough to cover a utility bill. To start, open an account with Ally or Marcus, transfer money, and let it grow. No stock market stress, just steady income. Takes 5 minutes. Way number 3: create digital products. If you've got a skill, like writing or design, you can make something once and sell it forever. Think ebooks, printables, or online courses. My friend Aisha, a fitness coach, made a $20 workout guide on Etsy. She spent a weekend creating it and now earns $300 a month selling 15 copies. That's $3,600 a year for one project. To start, pick a skill, maybe you're good at budgeting or photography. Create a simple product using Canva or Google Docs, list it on Etsy or Gumroad, and promote it on social media. It takes a few hours up front, but the income is passive after that. Way number 4: affiliate marketing. This is when you earn a commission by promoting products online. You share a link to something you love, like a book or gadget, and get paid when someone buys through your link. My cousin Sophia started a blog about personal finance last year. She promotes investing apps and earns $50 a month in commissions. You don't need a blog, use Instagram, TikTok, or even X. To start, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareASale, pick products your audience would like, and share your links. It takes an hour to set up, and the income grows as your audience does. Let's pause for a moment. I want to know, which passive income idea excites you most? Dividend stocks, savings accounts, digital products, or affiliate marketing? Drop it in the comments below. I'm reading every one, and your choice might inspire someone else to get started. Now, let's talk about why passive income isn't just for the rich. Anyone can start small. My buddy Ethan, a teacher, began with $200 in a high-yield savings account. He now earns $8 a month, small, but it's something. He's saving up to buy dividend stocks next. The key is consistency. The average American saves $500 a year, according to the Federal Reserve. If you put that into a 4% savings account, you'd earn $20 annually. Invest it in a 3% dividend stock, and you'd get $15 a year. Combine a few streams, and suddenly you're earning $100 a month without extra work. Here's a real-world example to inspire you. My friend Maria, a cashier, wanted extra income but had no time. She started selling budget templates on Etsy for $5 each. She made 10 templates in a month and now sells 5 a week, $100 a month passive income. She also put $300 in a high-yield savings account, earning $12 a year. Combined, she's at $1,344 annually. It's not millions, but it covers her car payment. She started with $300 and a few hours of work. Let's address some myths. First, I need a lot of money to start. Nope. You can begin with $50 in a savings account or $100 in stocks. My neighbor Marcus started with $75 in a dividend ETF. He earns $2 a month, small, but growing. Second, it's too complicated. Opening a savings account or listing a digital product is easier than setting up a new phone. Third, passive income is a scam. It's not, but it's not instant either. It takes upfront effort. My cousin Ryan tried affiliate marketing without consistency and earned nothing. He restarted with a plan and now makes $20 a month. Here's how to avoid mistakes. First, don't expect overnight riches. Passive income builds slowly. My friend Lisa thought her Etsy shop would make thousands instantly. It didn't, but it's now at $200 a month. Second, don't put all your money in one stream. Diversify, try stocks and a digital product. My buddy Carlos lost $100 in a bad stock but recovered with a savings account. Third, don't ignore fees. High fee funds eat your profits. Stick to low-cost options like Vanguard ETFs, with fees under 0.1%. Why is this urgent in 2025? Inflation's at 4.2%, eroding your savings. $1 today will be worth 96 cents next year. Passive income fights back by growing your money without you clocking in. Plus, with AI and online platforms, it's easier than ever to create digital products or share affiliate links. My friend Aisha made her workout guide using free tools. She'd never have done that 10 years ago. The tools are here, you just need to use them. Here's your action plan to start today. Step 1, pick one stream. If you've got $100, try a high-yield savings account with Ally. If you're creative, make a $5 digital product. Step 2, set it up. Open the account or list your product, it takes an hour max. Step 3, add to it. Put $20 a month into your savings or promote your product weekly. My cousin Sophia started with one affiliate link and now has 10, earning $50 a month. Step 4, scale up. Once one stream works, add another. Maria added a second Etsy product and doubled her income. This isn't financial advice, always consult a professional before investing. This is a guide to show you how passive income can work for anyone. It's not about getting rich tomorrow, it's about building a system that pays you for years. You don't need to be a tech genius or a Wall Street pro, just someone willing to start. If this video sparked an idea, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for daily tips on building wealth. Want more? Check out my next video, Why 99% Fail at Building Wealth, and How to Be the 1%, in the description below. Let's create your passive income stream together. This is Has to Be Rich, and I'll see you in the next one.